How to transfer money from PayPal to Zelle in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to transfer money from PayPal to Zelle. Okay, so this is not something difficult at all. First, I'm gonna tell you if you could really send money from PayPal to Zelle directly or not, and if there is a solution. Okay, so just follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video, and you're gonna see how you can do this, or how you can transfer money from PayPal to Zelle. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to tell you is it's impossible to send money from PayPal to Zelle directly. Okay, this is not available right now and you can't do it, unfortunately. But you're gonna ask me if I can do it in another way. I can tell you that yes, you can do it, but indirectly. You cannot do it directly, but you can do it indirectly. Okay, so you can just link your bank account with your PayPal, and also you can do the same thing with Zelle. You need to link your bank account with Zelle, and the bank account that you're gonna link with PayPal need to be the same that you're gonna link with Zelle. Okay, after linking your bank account with PayPal and Zelle, you can just send money from PayPal to your bank account. And after sending your money from PayPal to the bank account, now you can send that money existing on your bank that you received from PayPal and send them to Zelle. And like this, you just did it, but indirectly, and you just transferred your money from PayPal to Zelle. Okay, as I told you, it's not something difficult to do it if you decide to do it indirectly, but if you want to do it directly, like from PayPal, and transfer that money existing from PayPal to Zelle, this is something not available right now. Maybe in future, but right now it's not available. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.